On the northern outskirts of Manila, Raimundo Palonpon picks through a pile of trash he's collected from a nearby dump site. He prepares a stash to take to a recycling center, hoping to receive a few dollars in compensation. Scavenging is the main source of income for Palonpon, his wife Teresa, and their 2 daughters. To bring in a little more money, Teresa cleans at the neighborhood parish church. That provides her with a small monthly allowance. But the combined income is still not enough to cover the family's living costs and pay for the children's education. Before, life was hard, she says. We didn't have any money. We tried to make ends meet through my husband's meager income. The children had enough to eat, but we had to scrimp on the food they brought to school. I used to borrow money to fund my children's school projects. But these days, there's a little extra waiting in the bank each month. With a special ATM card, Palonpon withdraws a modest cash grant, which goes towards education and health needs for her children. It's part of a project by the Philippine government supported by the Asian Development Bank and other partners. It's aimed at helping the country's poorest families rise out of the cycle of poverty. The so-called Conditional Cash Transfer Program provides direct support to more than 2.3 million households across the nation. Unlike traditional welfare programs, it requires families to keep children in school and to get regular checkups.
We're considering the health because if you are healthy, then there's no reason for you to be absent in school because you're not getting sick. Education is important because that's the only thing you can have. That's the only thing that can help you to alleviate the poverty. Because if you are educated, then you can find a decent job.
For Teresa Palonpon's family, the benefits are evident. Her daughters are thriving in school, her youngest has just finished 2nd grade, and her eldest is preparing to attend high school on a scholarship. The Conditional Cash Transfer Program has enabled poor people like me to survive, she says. The program is such a big help for us. I can now budget my expenses, and I don't need to borrow money.